Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website ethicalenfys.com. I'm on a home page and I absolutely love the colors. I can tell right away that you're selling kids clothing. I love the logo with the rainbow. I love the colorful images and that you've got call to action, little tagline, um, the top navigation with a shop call to action, which is perfect. I would optimize the tagline, so make sure to add some variety. You can tell shop for knitted onesies and link obviously to the, not to all collections, but to specific collection to improve the conversion rate. So people, for example, like the look of this onesie, they can click it and they can buy it, which will definitely help you improve your conversion rate and sales. But I love that you mentioned free delivery on all orders, which is very important. Bright colors for bright future. So obviously you are specialized in bright kids colors, which is fantastic. Family run boutique, organic and fair trade kids clothing, which is also important. I think that's very unique selling point. So I would make it a little bit more visible that you specialize in organic clothing. I wouldn't tell. I thought it's just colorful kids clothing, but if it's organic and fair trade, that definitely will prompt more parents to buy this clothing from you, which will improve your conversion rate. Kids kite clothing, so obviously collections. Very nice images. Shop by age. So this is really useful as well. Very user friendly. So this is really good selection. Our top picks. Okay, so this is really nice, like the highlight of the product. You can always change it because majority of the visitors, you will find that the majority of the visitors are coming over and over again. So you can, for example, change this featured product every week. So this will or products or so this will really create this kind of interest and make sure that you constantly keep adding fresh content. Okay, so nice reviews here. You've got footer navigation with the store policies and social media links, so that's perfect. Remember to open all your social media links in new tabs so you don't lose traffic from your own website when someone clicks on Facebook or Instagram. Otherwise, when they open it in the same tab, your website disappears from their browser, so they stop instantly shopping with you. Okay, so you are based in the UK and you offer free UK delivery on all orders, which is fantastic. I would also hyperlink this email address for one-click content, which will make it much more user-friendly. Okay, so you offer 30-day returns. People can contact you via chat, so that's really useful. Okay, and you've got return address. Okay, perfect. Your contact us page looks great. I love that you've got short introduction, call to action, links to your social media. Make sure to open them in your tabs as well, and obviously hyperlink email address too. I like your About Us page. You explain why it's Enfys, that it's Welsh for Envy, so there is Welsh for rainbow. So that makes a good, really builds a rapport, makes a good sense for why you picked colorful clothing and the logo. So this is this is really great way to improve your conversion rate. So this is great. This is how we help save Earth. Okay, so you work with certain organizations. As I mentioned, I still don't feel the strong enough highlight that your clothing is organic and fair trade. So make sure to make an extra effort to specify that this is your specialty, This is what makes you unique, and this is what helps you stand out. Because this is a really really strong selling point. So I would make a really super extra effort to focus on it on every single place on the website. Your collection page looks absolutely fantastic. I love the 3 products per row. It makes the product images very clear, very easy to see. They're colorful, very nicely photographed. Beautiful photos, beautiful clothing, and yeah, as I mentioned, just make sure to specify that this is organic and fair trade as well. You can specify it by adding those kind of keywords to the product titles, so people can see it on a collection page, obviously to the collection description, to the product descriptions, and so on. I would move this particular part below the add to cart, because this part that it's here, it pushes the add to cart out of view, which can definitely affect your conversion rate. What you should do is have this product title price, then obviously size variants, and then right below size variants, obviously dose, quantity, and add to cart. So those 3 elements are at the very top, so people don't have to scroll down on each page to add to cart, and you can feature those elements like uh, the clear pay, shipping information, size guide right below the add to cart, because they're not as important for the conversion. They're important, but much more important for conversion is to see add to cart above the fold. Above the fold is this area without scrolling down, so all of those elements that help you convert need to be displayed in this area. So make sure to organize the page layout a little bit better. It might need tweaking to the code, but it's very easy to customize page layout with Shopify. So remember to do it, because it will significantly improve your conversion rate. Okay, where I go organic. I feel that this is like a little bit forgotten. It's like pushed to the bottom of the page, and it should be the focus of the product. You've got a link in the footer called image credit that links to royalty-free image site. I'm not sure why you need it here. However, if that's necessary, make sure to open this link in new tabs. However, if you add a short piece of code into your Shopify template, all of those external links will open automatically in new tabs. Remember to enable it. Your SEO score is 56 out of 100, so there's definitely room for improvement. The meta title and meta description, so this is Google snippet, is nicely optimized, so that's great. Your heading structure is great. However, I would add H1 tag, which is the most important for Google, and obviously add variety. It's those titles in the slide and images. Make sure to add more variety, specify your keywords such as organic, ethical, kids clothing, and so on, so it will help you rank in those specific search results. Keyword consistency is still not there, so you are not ranking for any specific keywords yet, which will affect how much traffic you get from Google. So make sure to rank and to optimize your content for your target keywords. Remember to add image alt tags to every new image you add to the website. It's really important for SEO as well. You've got a number of broken links, so I do recommend fixing them, because they can definitely affect your sales and SEO. If people keep seeing error pages, it's very discouraging to browse further, which can affect sales and obviously SEO. Google, if they cannot if they cannot index pages because there's a broken link, that can definitely affect your organic ranking as well. Your loading speed, for some reason, your website doesn't load very fast. It's almost 4 seconds. So this is definitely not user friendly. It can absolutely affect your organic SEO and organic ranking in Google. Normally, the majority of the websites, Shopify websites load within 1 second. So this is the new norm to aim for. Um, I'm not sure why you've got that many. The loading speed is so slow. There could be something with the coding of the design. Perhaps the images are not compressed. Maybe you loaded the original images not compressed for the website. When you source images or when you upload images from the photographer, usually they are in huge file size because they are optimized for print. But then you have to optimize them for the website displays. You have to really compress them and obviously geotag them, SEO optimize them as well. But compressing can definitely help you improve the website speed. But there are also certain other areas within the coding of the website that can affect speed. So I do recommend working on this, as it can not only affect your SEO but also traffic. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to ask our Shopify expert about anything mentioned in this critique, please book a free chat. The details are in the email. This free non-obligation chat is available for everyone who booked a free audit. So don't miss a chance to ask our Shopify expert any questions about optimizing your store for conversion and targeting the right keywords. So book a free chat now, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.